Sanford Middle School's magnet program is that we are a STEM magnet, so we offer a wide range of STEM electives focused on a variety of different careers and content areas, from marine biology, pre-vet, pre-med, herpetology, which is amphibians and reptiles. So students can benefit from taking the pre-vet program whether they want to be a vet or not. My goal is just for students to learn more about animals and see all of the career opportunities with animals. It's not just the one set, you have to be a veterinarian and that's your only option. There are so many options, from the zoo field, conservation, nutrition, and just giving them basically the opportunity to explore those different careers or even different types of animals that they might want to work with. In pre-vet 1, students learned how to teach animals using operant conditioning through clicker training. In vet 2, they're learning how to do fecal exams to diagnose those internal parasites. And then in vet 3, we're wrapping up urinary disorders and how to diagnose them using a urinalysis test strips. Incorporating pre-vet into the curriculum helps students learn and grow not just in veterinary skills, but all around, learning how to make inferences, using claim evidence reasoning, all of those higher order skills that they need in their normal science classes. It applies. Writing skills. It's very cross-curricular, helping them build just skills that they need, as they move on to high school and college. And I tell students, if there's one assignment that you do not throw away when you leave this class, let it be the dog CPR, because you never know when you're going to need it.
My grandma's dog was having puppies, and one of them came out not breathing. So I saw it and I came in and I just tried to remember what to do, chest compressions, breathing through the nose, and stuff like that, just simple things I learned in class.
She was able to just jump in, save a puppy's life, and then adopt that puppy. It's so rewarding for me just to know that because she learned that she was able to save the puppy's life.
You get to learn a lot more than just petting a dog or just saying hi to a dog. You get to learn more about different animals and how they are in the wild.
So learning can be fun. Learning doesn't have to be boring. You might be doing the writing or you might be doing the data analysis, but it's fun and it's engaging and a lot of it's relevant. There's a reason behind it and it's helping me learn skills that I can actually apply to my future, even if it's not directly in veterinary medicine.